Pork Cabbage Stir Fry. Ingredients: 250 g pork mince, lean, 1 large carrot, grated, a half cup frozen peas, 1 apple, grated, 2 spring onions, sliced, 2 cups shredded cabbage, 2 tablespoons. Kecup Manis, sweet soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. Fish sauce, 1 tablespoon. Mirin, 2 cloves garlic, 2 teaspoons. Garlic crushed, cooking spray. Directions: heat a non-stick fry pan or wok. Spray with cooking spray and add pork mince. Cook meat until browned. Stir. Season with cracked pepper, add garlic and ginger, stir frying for 1 minute. Add to pan grated carrot, cabbage and apple, cooking a further 2 minutes. Add Kecup Manis, fish sauce, mirin and mix until well combined. Finish off with spring onions.